In this quick LearnWorlds tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add a lead magnet to your LearnWorlds platform, step by step, to boost your lead generation and grow your audience. Stick around until the end, because we'll also explore a surprising alternative that could help you achieve even better results. First, let's dive into LearnWorlds itself. You'll need to have an active LearnWorlds account, of course. If you're just getting started, I've dropped a link in the description to help you set up your free trial, but more on that at the end. Let's get to it. The first thing you'll do is log into your LearnWorlds admin panel. From the dashboard, navigate to the Courses tab. This is where you'll manage all your content, and yes, your lead magnet will fit into this section seamlessly. Now, the second thing you'll need to do is create your lead magnet content. A lead magnet can be anything from a free ebook, checklist, a mini course, or even a free webinar. The key is offering something valuable enough to convince visitors to give you their contact details. For this, go to the Content section within the Course Builder and click on Create New Course. You can choose to create a free course if that's your lead magnet, or add a downloadable file as part of your course material. Next thing, let's talk about setting up your course as a lead magnet. Once your course or free resource is created, go to Settings and select Access. Choose Free Enrollment if you want users to access the content without paying. This is your chance to grab those leads without putting up any barriers. The goal is to collect emails, so make sure your content is behind a form that asks for their information before they can download or access your lead magnet. Fourth thing, let's add some automation. Once you set up your lead magnet course, you'll want to trigger some follow-up emails. LearnWorlds gives you automation options where you can send a series of nurturing emails, like a welcome email or other content that will help convert your leads into customers. Make sure to set up email sequences that build trust and guide them down the sales funnel. Next, the crucial part. Once you've built everything, it's time to promote your lead magnet. Create landing pages using LearnWorlds built-in landing page builder, or use your own custom page to funnel traffic directly to your lead magnet. Ensure your page is optimized with clear calls to action and an easy-to-follow form that encourages visitors to sign up. Now, while LearnWorlds has a solid system in place for adding lead magnets and automating follow-ups, it might not be the best fit for everyone. Some users find its email marketing and automation options a little limited compared to other platforms. That's why I want to introduce you to a really strong alternative, one that I think is a better fit for people specifically focused on growing their lead base, especially if you're also planning on scaling your business. This alternative not only gives you an intuitive lead magnet setup, but also more powerful integrations, automated workflows, and detailed analytics. Plus, it offers a free trial so you can test it for yourself and see if it fits your needs. The best part? Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial and extra perks that you won't find anywhere else. If you've been struggling with LearnWorlds limitations in terms of lead generation, or if you're just looking for something with a more robust set of features, don't miss out on checking out the options I've highlighted today. Click the link in the description to get your free trial and start optimizing your lead generation now. You've got nothing to lose. Give it a shot.